Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Joe with Bug and Weed Mart. Today, we're talking about ants. Ants are the #1 pest in the world. There's no place on earth that doesn't have ants, except for the very polar extremes. Anyway, ants can be very easily controlled, and you can control them without calling a pro. You can do it yourself with a professional bait, such as something that is in its own little self-contained station that runs only a couple of dollars. You can also buy a little syringe that you can apply to walls and baseboards and door trim and maybe along the kitchen sink backsplash. There's also a granular product that you can sprinkle, kind of like Parmesan cheese, but in all seriousness, you can sprinkle it very, very strategically and get rid of ants in a heartbeat. 1 ounce of this covers 1,800 square feet. It's really, really good stuff. So the quick news on ants is we can help you with them. Baits are the best way to go. We'll take down the colony, which gets rid of them. Come on in, we'll show you exactly how to do it.